Hello, your proud owner of Magicycle. Welcome to Magic Tech series. Today, we'll discuss about 6 steps before you have fun with Magicycle e-bike. So, let's go. All the tools shown in this video could be found in the Magicycle toolkit. First, check the quick release screws to see whether it's tightened. Second, check if the inner tube screws are tight. There are 4 screws. Third, check if the crankset arm are tight, both left and right. Check the pedal and tighten it, both left and right. Fourth, adjust the seat to a suitable height for a comfortable riding. The safety line should not be exposed, and make sure it's tightened. Fifth, check the screw on the rear tire. Ensure it's tightened, which is very important. Last, ensure the battery has been fully charged. That's all for today, so please click the link in the description and get more information about Magicycle, and also please subscribe us and you won't miss the update.